Hey ladies, this video is going to be on a closure reinstall, and I'm also going to be reviewing the HJWEAVEBEAUTY hair. This is just how the closure is looking after I've taken off most of the glue. I will be removing the rest of the glue with 91% alcohol. Don't like to pour the alcohol directly on the closure. I just like to pour it on my hands and then I'll just rub it right on the closure and the glue would just fall right off. This is the closure after I've rinsed off the alcohol. And I will be going in with the Bambú silicone mix to condition the hair. This hair is wavy, curly texture, so I don't like to shampoo it often because it will dry out the hair. I normally just do a co-wash. So to get more into this hair, I've had this hair in for about a month now. This is my second closure reinstall. This hair is the bomb. I was skeptical because it's cheap, but I'm telling you, it's good. Like I said, I had it in for a month. I haven't had any problems with tingling, shedding of course because it is curly hair, but other than that, it's the bomb. This is how the closure is looking after the conditioner has been rinsed out. Now I'm going to be making my bald cap using the Got2B Spray. I start off using hot heat to dry the cap and then I switch over to the cooler side. Here I am just adding more spray as I blow dry for double security. Now that the cap is dry, I'm going to be coloring it with a foundation that matches my skin. I like to use a brush with tighter bristles just so that I can get a fuller coverage on the cap. This is how my cap is looking, and now I'm going to start sewing my cap down. Looks against the cap, and now I am beginning to mark off where I need to cut off the excess cap. I'm just using a mascara wand. You can use eyeliner, you can use whatever you want. Now I am cleaning the extra Got2B off with alcohol, just double checking on how it looks, and I'm going to be coloring my closure with some more foundation. I wanted to show this part because this can easily happen. The foundation went through the closure a little bit, but I'm just taking a looser brush and I'm just brushing it away. Also spray with a water bottle and comb through to get it off as well. This is how the closure is looking after the excess foundation has been brushed and sprayed away. And now I'm beginning to sew the closure down. Sewed down, this is how it's looking. Now I'm going in with the double-sided bold hold tape. Now I've taken the top layer off, and now I'll be going in with the bold hold glue with the popsicle stick. Always do thin layers with the bold hold because if you don't, it will not dry properly. Blow dry on cool heat until the glue becomes clear, like this. I do 3 layers of the bold hold glue. And once the layers are all dry, I start to place the closure. I place the closure using my fingers, and I also use the end of a rat tail comb. Now I am just going going in again with my blow dryer just to make sure that everything is dry and secured. Using my foundation and a popsicle stick, I'm just going to go into my part just to color it a little more and make it look more natural like this. As you can see, it's flat and it's very secured. Now I'm taking 3 black strips and I'm going to fold them into a headband shape. I'm going to tie this around the front of my head while I'm in the shower. Now I am out of the shower and I'm just blow drying the lace just in case the steam from the shower lifted it a little bit. Now I am brushing through the hair, detangling it, and I am going to start blow drying the hair. Just a quick reminder, the bold hold needs at least 24 to 48 hours to dry before you can wet it. This includes getting in the shower while it's steamy. This is how the hair is looking after. As you can see, it's very bouncy. I would definitely recommend HJWEAVEBEAUTY Hair. They ship fast. My hair came in about 2 days. Now I am starting to do my baby hair. To secure them in place, I like to spray a little bit of Got2B and then I go over with the blow dryer. This is my honey. He always checking me out. I am just going in one more time on the edges to secure them exactly how I want them. And this is how I am looking after. As you can see, it is melted. Don't forget to go purchase you some HJWEAVEBEAUTY hair. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.